Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Big Progress channel. We are so happy you are here today. This is the place where you can learn English in a simple, slow, and fun way. And today, we have a very good lesson for you.
Hello. Hi, Hannah. Hi, everyone. I'm so excited today. I feel great.
Before we start, friends, please remember, like this video, subscribe to the Big Progress channel, and tell us in the comments, what do you like to do? Your likes and comments really help us grow. Thank you so much.
Yes, please like and subscribe. Your support helps the channel, and we love reading your comments.
Okay, Lamb, are you ready for a fun English conversation today?
Yes, I'm very ready. What are we learning?
Today we talk about what you like to do. A super simple and super useful topic because people ask this question all the time. What do you like to do?
Oh, yes. I hear that question many times, and sometimes I don't know what to answer. I only say, I like, sleeping?
Sleeping is good, but today we will learn many ways to answer that question. Easy sentences, short sentences, sentences you can use in real life. So, today we learn how to say the things you like, how to talk about simple activities, how to use the words like, enjoy, love, and also how to say the negative, I don't like.
Oh, very good. These words are very common. People use them every day.
Yes, and we will speak slowly, clearly, step by step. So don't worry. Just listen, relax, and enjoy the conversation. Okay, Lamb, let's start with the most common word, like.
Easy. I know this one. Like.
Yes. If someone asks you, what do you like to do? You can answer like this. I like to read. I like to cook. I like to walk. I like to listen to music. Very simple.
Oh, that's easy. So I can say, I like to eat pizza.
Perfect. That is a very natural sentence.
I can also say, I like to watch YouTube.
Yes, and I think many people like that too. Friends, say it with us. I like to watch YouTube. Now, here is a very important point. In English, you can say, I like to read. Or you can say, I like reading. Both are correct.
Oh, two ways. I like to read. I like reading.
Exactly.
So, I like to drink coffee. I like drinking coffee. Both okay?
Yes, both sound natural, both sound good. Let's give the audience more examples.
Okay. I like to walk in the park. I like walking in the park.
Great. Another one. I like to learn English. I like learning English.
Oh, yes, I like learning English very much. And I like learning English with Big Progress Channel.
Oh, thank you, Lamb. And I hope our listeners also like learning English with us.
Let's try talking like a real conversation.
Let's try talking like a real conversation. Lamb, what do you like to do in the morning?
In the morning, I like to drink warm tea. And I also like to stretch. Just simple stretching. It feels good.
Nice. I like to drink coffee in the morning. And I like reading a few pages of a book.
Oh, that sounds relaxing.
Yes, very relaxing.
So, listeners, think, what do you like to do in the morning?
Lamb, what do you like to do after work?
After work, I like to relax. I like to watch simple videos. Sometimes I like to play games on my phone.
I like to cook after work. Cooking helps me relax.
Oh, really? I like to eat, but I don't like to cook. Cooking is difficult.
Don't worry. Today, we learn more words so you can express what you like or don't like. Now, let's learn another useful word, enjoy.
Enjoy. Yes, I know this word. It means like, but stronger?
Exactly. Enjoy is a little stronger than like. And when you use enjoy, you normally use verb plus ing.
Oh, okay. So I enjoy reading, not I enjoy to read.
Correct. Always enjoy plus ing. Let's try some examples.
I enjoy eating noodles.
Good.
I enjoy listening to music.
Nice. Now my turn. I enjoy cooking dinner. I enjoy taking long walks.
Yes, those sound really natural.
Lamb, what do you enjoy doing on the weekend?
On the weekend, I enjoy sleeping. I enjoy sleeping a lot.
I understand. I also enjoy sleeping on weekends. But I also enjoy going to the park. I enjoy sitting under the trees. It feels peaceful.
Oh, yes, that sounds nice. I enjoy spending time with friends. We enjoy talking together. We laugh a lot.
Very good. See? Enjoy is a great word for fun activities. Now we learn another word, very strong. Maybe the strongest for simple English. The word is love.
Oh, yes. Love.
Love means you like something very, very much. Examples: I love music. I love chocolate. I love sunny days.
Oh, I love chocolate too. I love ice cream. And I love cats.
Cats are cute. I love cats too.
So, I love plus noun, or I love verb plus inging.
Yes, both are correct. I love reading. I love listening to jazz. I love swimming. I love pizza.
Very easy. Lamb, what do you love to do in your free time?
I love going to the beach. I love feeling the warm sun. I love the sound of the waves.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I love going to cafes. I love sitting with a cup of coffee. I love relaxing and thinking.
Cafes are nice. I love quiet places too. Now we learn how to say the opposite. If you do not like something, you say, I don't like. Very simple.
Yes, I use this every day.
Examples: I don't like cold weather. I don't like spicy food. I don't like loud music.
Let me try. I don't like cooking. I don't like running. I don't like cleaning my room.
I think many people don't like cleaning their room.
Yes, very true.
And you can also say, I don't like to run, or I don't like running. Both are fine. Lamb, is there a food you don't like?
Yes, I don't like bitter food, and I don't like grapefruit. Too bitter.
I understand. I don't like very salty food. Too much salt makes me feel tired.
Oh, same for me.
And what about hobbies? Is there something you don't like to do?
Hmm. I don't like waking up early. I don't like going outside when it's very cold, and I don't like ironing clothes.
I don't like ironing clothes either. Let's shake hands. So, friends, now you know how to say I like to, or I like ing, I enjoy ing, I love, I don't like. These are powerful beginner sentences. You can use them to talk about many activities.
Yes. And there are so many things we can talk about: movies, music, sports, food, travel, many topics.
Exactly. And in the next part of our podcast, we will explore more topics. We will talk about activities, hobbies, dreams, future plans, all using simple English.
Yes, and we will practice more examples, step by step.
So don't go anywhere. We have a lot more to learn. Are you ready to continue in the next part?
I am ready.
Great. Let's continue. Okay, Lam. Now I want to show our listeners how these phrases work in many topics, not only hobbies.
Many topics? Sounds fun.
Yes, let's try. Lam, what food do you like?
I like chicken rice.
Nice. And what food do you love?
I love pizza. Maybe too much.
Too much. I understand. And what food do you enjoy?
I enjoy noodles. Warm noodles make me happy.
What food do you not like?
I don't like spicy food. My tongue dies.
Same here. Now, weather. What weather do you like?
I like cool weather.
What weather do you love?
I love sunny days at the park.
What weather do you enjoy?
I enjoy rainy days when I stay home.
What weather do you not like?
I don't like hot, humid weather. My brain melts.
Good. Listeners, please repeat after us. I like cool weather. I don't like hot weather. Easy, right? Okay, one more topic. School or work?
Let's go.
Lem, what school subject did you like?
I liked English, of course.
Nice answer.
I loved art class. Drawing was fun.
And what did you enjoy?
I enjoyed group projects, but only when the group worked.
Fair. And what did you not like?
I didn't like tests. Tests scared me.
Many people feel the same. See, listeners, you can use like, love, enjoy, and don't like for many topics: food, weather, school, work, hobbies, daily life.
Yes, it's easy. One structure, many situations.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about dreams, future dreams. You can use this phrase: I would love to.
Oh, I hear this a lot in movies.
Yes, it's polite, beautiful English. For example, I would love to travel to Japan. I would love to learn guitar. I would love to cook better.
I would love to sleep more.
Same. I would love to visit London one day.
Nice.
Listeners, please think about your dream and say this: I would love to plus activity. Time for practice. Very simple. Lam, I'll give you a topic. You choose I like, I love, I enjoy, or don't like.
Okay.
Topic: getting up early.
I don't like getting up early.
Same here. Topic: reading books.
I enjoy reading books.
Great. Topic: going to the gym.
I love going to the gym in my dreams.
Listeners, did you hear that? In my dreams? Now, complete the sentence. I would love to.
I would love to speak English like a native.
And you can, step by step.
Thank you, teacher.
Listeners, repeat with us. What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to relax.
What do you enjoy?
I enjoy watching movies.
What do you not like?
I don't like cleaning.
Same for many people. Before we finish, let's review everything quickly.
Good idea.
Repeat after us, listeners. I like. I love. I enjoy. I don't like. I would love to.
These phrases are super useful.
Yes, you can use them every day. And now, if you enjoyed this episode, we have a small request for you.
A very small one.
Yes, please like this episode. It really helps the Big Progress channel grow.
And please subscribe so you don't miss future lessons.
Also, feel free to leave a comment. Tell us, what do you like, love, enjoy, or not like?
We love reading your comments.
And we reply to many of them too. Before we go, here is a short, quick recap.
Good idea.
Use I like for normal things. Use I love for strong feelings. Use I enjoy for activities. Use I don't like for negative feelings. And use I would love to for future dreams.
Simple English. Clear phrases, easy to use.
Thank you for learning with us today.
And see you in the next episode on Big Progress. Bye-bye.
Bye.